What's up, guys? It's Gabby with LongLivVintage here, back with another video. It is a lovely day in the neighborhood. I have been riding my bike, working out for months on end, wind blowing in the hair, right? So wrong. Let's rewind and let me tell you guys exactly what's been going on with my health journey. So last year I was avidly working out with a trainer. I was eating super healthy. I was on a steady incline. And then I got news that I had a double hernia in my abdomen. Very depressing because I was experiencing a lot of pain. But what do we do sometimes when we have pain? We overlook it or think we can just push through, which is what I was trying to do. I got the news that I needed to go ahead and have surgery as soon as possible or there would be more issues. So I went ahead and did that. Recovery was maybe about 3 days in extreme pain. And then after that, I was able to actually get up and move around. This is me about 1 month post-op. I'm not able to lift weights how I had previously been doing. I can't do the strenuous, workouts. I can't do the long runs. Not quite yet. But I still wanted to get things back to how they were before this whole surgery deal. So this is my first workout. It happened to go hand in hand with my 10-day challenge just because it just fell that way. It's just a short video just to show you guys what I've been doing during that 10-day challenge and what I'll continue doing. I'll probably continue doing challenges here and there and in between, and maybe record them just so you guys can see them with me. So if you guys are interested in seeing more of these workout videos, just stay tuned and I will see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.